So again, we are officially starting our questions from the media. May I ask our media friends if there is a question? Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I'm Ruth de la Cruz. I'm the Health and Fitness Editor of Business Mirror. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Now that
morning.
this deal has been sealed, what can we expect from GCMC? Thank you.
Of course, that with this partnership, again, for the improved qualities of our services, additional services, and expansion through acquisition with other hospitals.
Thank you very much, Engineer. Thank you, Miss Anne. Would anyone like to add anything? Okay. Thank you, Miss Anne. Oh, we have a follow-up question.
Just a follow-up. Sir, can you give us more details? It's all very vague. Can we expect one or two hospitals within the year or next year? Will it be